All right. Hi, I'm welcome on. I'm also going to introduce another co-MC, which you all know.
Come on.
She, Charles, come on now, sir. I'm not meeting you as well. I'm going to be a pro-now baby. I'm not
How you doing?
Yeah.
Welcome, boss. Good.
All right.
Thanks. It takes progress away. Take on. Madam. That's why I'm very old. I'm telling you, you're making young. You're doing a good job, sir.
Well, just so you know, well, just so you know, this event is being recorded live. So, you know, like when a photographer comes by you and you take a very good picture of you, it's not the photographer's photo, it's your phone. Now, this is going live.
Okay.
Oh, my word. So, therefore, photographer, yeah. So, my yes, it's live.
Yes, I think I see. Okay. Okay. Young man, how you doing? You don't come. Welcome, sir. Good to see you now. I'm sorry, madam. Thank you for taking good care of this young man. You okay? He looks young. Welcome, sir. Welcome, madam. This is how you doing? Welcome. Good to see you. Good to see you. What's going on? It's all for which one?
It's okay.
Just like they just take it off. I see it though. Look nice though. Don't say the secret. They'll kill you.
Because we in all the community.
Go ahead and pull them out.
Oh, yes, thank you. Ebe ọbụla a kụrụ ihe dabere Igbo ma ọ bụ ọdịnala accountant profession chief Dr. Mrs. Okeke nke a na-akpọ obodo graduate all the way from the local judge. Ọnwa akụrụ ọnwa chief and Dr. Mrs. Okeke nke a na-akpọ our brother, the man of the accountant for all the way from the local judge. That's a very our man. Very relevant to the day.
All right. So that we can cut this short and move it along, we're gonna call on board chairman of Atlanta Eagle School, who's also the chairman of this occasion. Dr. Stanley Okoro, Upper Georgia Plastic and Construction Service. Over the mic to you.
I need a culture. But I go out and I get our culture. So
It's better.
on behalf of the Academy goes to the initiation, they will have to do ladies and gentlemen, they will know Americans, hi, welcome. Tonight, we are here to celebrate our culture, Igbo culture. We are here to preserve our Igbo culture and uplift those who are helping us preserve it. By the way, what a display of all the children. I mean, that was impressive. I wish I was a child now. I would just join them like that. We waited to start to dance. So, I'm a people who take a short speech. But later on, I'm an old role. That's the end. We are not here for the money, though. We are not here for the money. But without the money, we are not here. Come on, we are not here for the money. But without the money, we are not here. So, when follow, who are going I know who are going so, I'm not like you. I will do that for I'm a big show. But I'm not just saying, there are this occasion. Thank you for helping us preserve our culture. I am a very strong believer in our culture. I want to important now alone with believe. I believe all. Okay, but you don't keep when they want to know. You don't when they want to know. People say they will. Nah, they won't. They won't. Nah, they won't. They don't say they won't. Because of you. Okay, you must they won't. Yes, right. They won't. What's your name? I'm not going to say again.
Thank you, sir. Ochendo, okay? Ochendo. Hey, about what's not some Ochendo. Hey.
Ask him
Hey,
to
I'm my word to the tennis. Anyhow, you might not know they have.
because mine,
The way you microphone.
that's more than I can see you more than that. This one is fine. This is different.
Okay.
Yeah.
Moving on, so we're gonna call on the CEO of Atlanta Eagle School. You want to introduce them? All right, go ahead.
One of the corporate gentlemen in our community, and Obata, Obia Woroche, Hansel of God Woroche, our man, Dr. and Mrs. Otto, because he called Obia Woroche, Isabel, and because he called Obia Woroche. Yeah? Okay, he says okay. Okay, thank you, because it's not that bad. On that money, and the blessing of Dr. Judo Haya. Dr. and Dr. Mrs. Smith, our brother, the nephrologist, the practical body, Dr. and Dr. Mrs. Smith, the practical body, we usher in. Dr. Dr. and Dr. Mrs. Smith, of the how many minutes? All of that is not the
Please, it's Miss Auchi Obieke here. She's one of the keynote speakers. It's Miss Auchi Obieke here. Yes? All right, we're gonna call on. All right, the CEO of Atlanta Eagle School, Mrs. Kunyet, I would like to address it.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kunyet Ohaya. I'm the director. I just want to use this opportunity to thank everybody for being here. I am so happy to see every one of you coming from different states in Atlanta here. I thank the board members. May God bless you for being there for us every moment. I also thank all the people from out of state. Thank you so much. I know it is not easy. Because the buy and make a loan needed. Konye Chiria to them. And I make a loan to she will put the shine weekend. And I will also say that Atlanta Eagle School, the number is growing. So we started with like 50 people, now we are up to 250 students.
Now go now, I'll do
So the door is open. This is a non-profit organization. We don't charge anything, you only register into the Igbo school. $30 for annual. The weekly classes are not charged. We don't charge anything. And we have the board members there. We have all of our sponsors being there for us. And we can't thank you enough. Whatever you have to support us, that's what we need. So we use it to keep this service going. So please, thank you so much. We appreciate you on behalf of the board members, the Atlanta Eagle School students, my husband, Dr. Chido. I say thank you and may God bless you. And now, we have two keynote speakers. And these are also students. One from New York, they are young adults. And it's not been up to a year they started with me, they can speak Igbo. Oluchi, she is supposed to come from Florida, but she told me, I think she's in Atlanta, but I don't know, she's not here yet. But we have Ebuka Nobute. Ebuka came from New York. Ebuka, please give it up for Ebuka, please.
all the way from NY.
Yes. Ebuka, Clap for Ebuka, my mom. Igbo Kwani, Igbo Kwani, Nigeria Kwani, Atlanta Kwani, America High. Achọrọ m ile ma ụlọ akwụkwọ ebe a. Ọ na-eke nọ ebe a, ya si ọmụmụ ụlọ aha mbụ Chukwu Ebuka Arụpụta. Abụ m ịwa Chief Odemne Arụpụta na Lolo Ngozi Arụpụta. Abụ m onye Igbo Igbo nke nọ na Nwangele gọọmenti area Imo Steeti. Edwin na New York. Unu emela bịa ịkwado anyị taa. Ana m ekele n'ụzọ pụrụ iche onye nkụzi asụsụ Igbo na Chukwu aha ya nke ụlọ akwụkwọ Igbo. Thank you, Mr. President, for organizing the event and for teaching our class very slowly. Atlanta Igbo School nyere maka ịmụta Igbo na asụsụ Igbo. Obi dị mma ịnọ ebe a taa. Ọ dọrọ anya na abụ m ezigbo ụlọ akwụkwọ Igbo, and I'm very proud to come from Igbo.
Na etinye ndị Igbo. Isoro oche ndume nke ahụ,
I encourage my fellow Igbo young adults who do not know our language to register with Atlanta Igbo School to learn Igbo. Also, it's never too late. Okay, I'm the room now, Lagos. Anyị bi na etiti ndị na-asụ Igbo, mana ihe anyị na-asụ bụ Igbo. Oge anyị bịara America, ihe anyị na-asụ bụ n'ezinụlọ anyị bụ ụzọ Igbo. Nne na nna na-eji Igbo, abụọ anyị okwu. Nka mere na mụọ na nwanne m nwoke amụtaghị asụsụ Igbo. Na Bangladesh na-akụziri Igbo na nwata. Nne na nna kụziri m na nwanne m nwoke mkpa obi ịma ebe anyị si ya na iso n'ihe ọdịnala Igbo. Oge mbụ anaghị agụta Igbo, mana ugbu a ana m agụta na asụsụ ntabi.
When I was in Nigeria about 4 years ago, my uncle Marcel Goulet told me about one auntie in the US who was doing Igbo school on Zoom. Obviously, that was Auntie Quinette, and that is when I really began to learn Igbo for the first time. Ụzọ dị iche iche ịmụ asụsụ Igbo ga-ebi ezigbo mkpa ruo na ọ mere ka mmụọ maka ihe gbasara omenala Igbo. Learning Igbo has been very important to me for a lot of reasons. I feel like it's opened up a whole part of my culture that I was not able to access before. And it has allowed me to participate in important conversations with my family. Ịmụta ụmụ njem aga m asụta Igbo maka na asụsụ bụ ihe ejiri mara ndị n'ihi ịbụrụ ọbụla. You know, there are some people who say that Igbo is a dying language because so many of my peers do not know it. But thanks to Auntie Quinette and to the Atlanta Igbo School, our culture and language will be preserved for many generations. Asụsụ Igbo agaghị anwụ. Ana m ekele unu niile etu m si ya kwado anyị na mmemme anyị taa. Chukwu gozie unu niile.
Now, go now, go to the you know, what people let go, so when I see you, you can imagine. All right, we're going to switch something. The dedication it will be there for dance will happen. Can you? We have some guests.
Yes. Chief and Dr. Mrs. Ibrahim. Get a hand of people now. We are going to pass DJ, what's up? Let's not stop.
DJ, just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, IJ. We need to usher in Mr. and Dr. and Mrs. John Ibrahim.
Yes. Chief and Dr. Mrs. John Ibrahim. So come and have a seat.
All the way back there coming up as Stephen. Welcome, welcome. John. If you're looking at me right now, you need change. Somebody went to the restroom and left their phone. So this story for AT&T. There's a picture on it. And they go, meet me. I don't want to go home with it. If you went to the restroom, check to see if you have your phone on that.
So put your hands together one more time for our God. The Bible said,
What was it?
it is our tradition that we pass over to the children of the next generation. Every generation will be a generation. And one more is coming. We thank the Lord for it. Thank you. Will you ever have a fire?
I need to also let you guys know, right here, this is being recorded live, so please join in. Please sign out to block you.
There you go.
Our dollars are here. Public generation we dey live in. That is what it's all about.
Please would like to call just before you move on to the next bit, which is the executive bit. I would like to call up the Anadibo Kingsley Usuruga, President of Amigo Town Union, Atlanta. They're here. Please come on up. Where are my ushers? Ushers, can you get them to come up this way? They're coming with their families, huh? We're calling on the Anadibo Kingsley Usuruga, President of Amigo Town Union, Atlanta.
President of Amigo Town Union.
They can come up over here and take it to them.
Sorry, I'm the eternal president of Amigo Town Union. That's our man. The Kingsley of Europa.
If you need change, if you're watching me right now, the change women are right over there. Because all of the people change, they're right over there. We have a table over there. Right over here.
It's a different dimension.
All right, next we're gonna have the exhibition case. Okay? This is the state number one. Called exhibition case. Okay, give me more mic. Listen up and pay attention, please.
Certo, oggi vuole prendere da noso. Ogni poco, ma non vuole fare a mezzo. Vuole dire, andiamo a no, no, no. Ah, okay. That's what you are. I need room, my and because it's your father that you made. I want people. You want to or people being scared. You know what I have for sauce. I'm happy, but also but I got to I stand all that fly. If you all no. Are you getting money now? Papa, you carry yes. Ewo, ona, zero, mana ona, one name will get sick, I'm with their dog. I'm not sure what family ever, I'm like, yes, people because one email out to 9 early, I'm putting in book. And all the kids in Papa, because they don't know I mean like what Papa and not as I am. Papa and Nadia, Nani, because
Because the other one you can get perfect, one strike. This one I can't see. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't like it. The one you have, the other one is YouTube. This you can zoom out or zoom in on here. This is full length. I don't like the one. It's too
Right now, we have people number and parent contest. And this is how we normally do it. We're going to pass out some flashcards. We want the numbers to come from the audience because we want you to know how authentic it is. We don't want you to think that, oh, we prepared them, we gave them the number to memorize. We want this number to come from you. We are giving you 2 flashcards. You're writing the number from 1 to billion. Any number, we don't want simple number. To billion. Make it hard, please, if you can. And you keep 1 flashcard and give us 1. So you will know, if I call the number, you look at your number to make sure that I'm calling the number you have written down. So we have our parents, our authors. Please bring the flashcard and give to parents, all the people in the audience. If your child is competing, you're not going to write the number. We want all the parents or anybody, if you don't have any relative competing, write the number down and we collect it. So we're going to do it. The MC. While we are getting ready, go ahead and I give it to the chairman of the patient. Thank you.
Are we giving out the card? And the card we giving out? Anybody who wants to say it, raise your hand. Please pay attention before you come on up. And remember, it's not everything that you know, so your kids are also going to teach you. Try not to ask the price so it won't be like you didn't know it. Please be seated, your food will come to you.
In support of this program, because there was a man. As far as you ever need me, then I want to come to you. We need the number, please. We need the number. We need the number to use it on the text, please.
Welcome to Atlanta Eagle School fundraising event. We're glad you're here. God bless you. Please be patient, be seated. Your food is going to come to you.
Let's have the number, please. Make sure you're keeping a copy. Number, please, number.
Okay, everybody, we need to start. And this is the format. This is how we do it. You have 10 seconds to answer the question. If you do not answer the question and the time elapses, and then you hear a bell. And if you miss the question, you will also hear a bell. If you get it right, you will hear. All that and everybody, please, we're going to clap for the person. If you do not understand the question, you have 3 seconds to say, please repeat it in Igbo. You have to say, please repeat it in Igbo.
Pay attention, pay attention.
I see some, a lot of the little numbers here. We are really above that. Do you have any question, the contestant? Do you have any question? Okay. Joy, can I have the pen, please? Okay. Kamsi, Guinea 64. Chinaya Guinea 2.
2 bụ abụọ.
Ọ zatara ya. Ralo Guinea bụ 1,000. Ralo Guinea bụ 1,000. Ọ zatara ya. Uchenna Guinea bụ 216. 216. Ọ zatara ya. Please speak up, everybody. Emeka Guinea bụ 699.
699, bro. How do you see
Ọ zatara ya. Adasa Guinea bụ 12.
12 bụ
Adasa Guinea bụ 10. Ọ zatara ya. Kamsi Guinea bụ 1,256.
narị abụọ na ise na isii.
Ọ zatara ya.
How's mommy?
Ralo Guinea bụ 2,440. You have 10 seconds to go.
Puku anọ na narị anọ na iri anọ.
Ọ zatara ya. Now, Guinea, 2,404.
Sometimes we will be back. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Ọ̀tà Karaya, Emeka Guinea for 1,023. 1,023.
1,023.
One thousand and 23. Otu puku na iri abụọ na atọ. Emeka amụtaghị ya.
Anụnụ nọ na-akọ aka. Ọ dị osisi ahụ anụnụ na-akọ aka. Anụ kwesịrị correct. Unu na-akọ aka.
Give Emeka another opportunity. He said that he answered what I just repeated. I don't know if everybody heard it. Okay, so that's my fault. Now please, I need you to speak up. Speak up. I want you to scream like me. Scream, please. Emeka Guinea, 1,584.
1,584 to Otu Puku na narị ise na iri asatọ na anọ.
Ọ tatara ya kpọrọ m ya aka.
Ụlọ ọmọkwanụ ma ọ zatara ya. Ekwu na anyị ọ zatara ụlọ ebido okwu agha.
I'm sorry that the numbers you gave me here, we have to find a way to eliminate people. If not, we're not going to have a hearing. The numbers you gave me, we don't have anything hard. You gave me 1,000, 2,000, 3,000.
Easy
now, they are very easy.
What do they need billion?
Right now. I need something in a million.
Million and billion.
Uchenna. Guinea 2,064. Pick up.
Puku abụọ na iri isii na anọ.
Ọ tatara ya dọrọ na ya aka. Chinenye, Guinea with 17,899. 17,899 is not here. We need to move forward. 17,899, Chinenye.
17,899 puku iri na asaa na narị asatọ na iri iteghete na iteghete.
Ọ gatara ya kpọrọ na ya aka. Adapta, Guinea with 20,244. 20,244.
20,244. Puku iri abụọ na narị abụọ na iri abụọ na anọ.
Ọ gatara ya kpọrọ na ya aka. Kamsi, Guinea with 8,777,448. Guinea for 8,777,448. 9,349,798. 9,349,798. About 15 seconds. 9,349,798. 349,798.
itenani narị atọ na iri anọ na itenaanụ na
Brother, sit at the time. Emeka, brother, Emeka. Emeka, can you 11,127,102. 11,127,102. Emeka. 11,127,102. Right? 11,127,102. 15 seconds.
In the now also.
Kọ́lá ni yàrá púpọ̀ Uchenna gẹ́gẹ́ 8,899,225. 8,899,225. Ǹjẹ́ àṣàṣọ náà kókó àṣàṣọ náà ńlá lọ. Chinenye gịnị bụ 12,751,581. 12,751,581. 15 seconds.
biko kwuo ya ọzọ
12,751,581.
12,751,581.
581. 12,751,581.
12,551,581 bụ iri na abụọ na puku narị ise na iri ise na otu na narị ise na iri asatọ na otu.
Chinenye, I think you missed the number in the middle. 751,000. 12,751,581. One more chance.
12,751,581 bụ nde iri na abụọ na puku narị asaa na iri ise na otu na narị ise na iri asatọ na otu.
Adasta gave you 5,391,399. 5,391,399.
Nde ise na puku narị. Biko kwuo ya ọzọ.
5,391,399.
5,391,399 bụ nde ise na puku narị atọ na iri biko kwuo ya ọzọ.
5 million one more chance. 391,399.
5,391,399 nde ise na puku narị atọ na iri itoolu na otu na narị atọ na iri itoolu na itoolu.
Ọ datara ya o. So ugbu a egwu ga-eche egwu anyị ga-adagharịzi maka na ụmụaka anyị ga-agasị na pilion na ndị ha nidiri ibe ha ga-ete ya ede biko. They need to write the number because it's not easy to remember all this. All right, have this pen. Okay? We have to find a way to have a winner. So bear with me. All right, I know it's very, very hard. Can I have a pen, please? I said 3 pens. Give me a box of the pen, just a pen. Can I get one more pen? All right. Counting. Guinea was 17 billion. 320 million. 775,000. 17 billion, 320 million, 775,000.
17 billion, 320. 17 billion.
I need you to speak up. I need people to hear you. 17 billion, 720,000. No, excuse me. 17 billion, 320 million, 775,000.
17 billion, 320 million, 775,000. Jerry, Nasa, na, then, Nari, Atona, Iriabona, Nariasa, Nariasa, Narisa.
All that I have people. China was 23 billion, 998 million, 125,000. 23 billion, 998 million, 125,000.
23 billion, 998 million, 125,000. Njere iri abụọ na atọ na nde narị iteghete na iri iteghete na asatọ na puku otu na iri abụọ na ise.
Ọ zatara ya o, bara ya aka. Adapta gịnị wụ 19 billion. 721 million, 771,000. 19 billion, 721 million, 771,000. That's a speaker. Your time is going.
19 billion, 721 million, 771,000 more. Njeri Irina na itoolu na nde narị asaa na iri abụọ na otu na puku narị asaa na iri asaa na otu.
Ọ zatara ya kọrọ ya aka. Ugbu a anyị ga-ebute ya pete 10 seconds. You make the time you're out. 10 seconds. Country. Give me a 781 billion. 725,000 million. 221,000. 781 billion. 725 million. 221,000. 10 seconds.
781 billion, 725 million, 221,000. Both Jerry Nariasa na Iriasa Tona Oku na.
You see every time. They're on the stage, they're on the stage. Chinaya, 10 seconds. Chinaya, give me 551 billion. 551 billion, 229 million, 231,531,211,311,000. Just a count.
551,229,311,000 njere narị ise na iri ise na otu na nde narị abụọ na iri abụọ na iteghete na puku narị atọ na iri atọ na otu.
Okay, you know what? I think this is going to be hard to win because, to be honest with you, these are the best students when it comes to numbers. So we have 3 winners here. Simple. Let us start with them. And what the court proposed for you is your certificate. We have a gift certificate. And we are going to send you your award picture, okay? So please let us give it to them.
All right, you read it to claim. That's the way you're doing it. Maybe I'll put it up. Ụlọ akwụkwọ ihe ụmụ ụlọ pụrụ ime nsọọ ebe ọ na ha na-aga Atlanta Igbo School. Ụjọ ga-apụ. Obi ga-esi ike na ha jepụta na ha na-amụta ihe. And now we're moving on to the fundraising. It's our game changer. DJIJ, or change is not a game changer. You can even play 4 times. Ọkụcha chords, ọkụcha chords, ọkụcha chords, ọkụcha chords. Ọkụcha your chords is chair. And first, the fundraising is about to start. Our chairman, Dr. Gali Okoro, would like to address us. Please pay attention. We need your attention, please. Thank you.
I'm going to get it in the I'm a game changer. Oh, flavor for me.
Oh, change the only one it's not easy.
I continue to teach Umaka and preserve our culture.
On the part, the $30 entrance on
I won't go to what man. We go to break individually, but together they don't do it together. Who go to town? What after that, what they say me now, after my friend go back home. Now, two very equals, in is it? Okay. According to my wife, all the support now, even the peer support the Igbo school. That is $2,500. Put your hand Yes, sir. I will make it easy for everybody. Adam Pinette, give me those numbers. Everybody knows me, I don't play. Give me those numbers. If I come to you, you have a choice. You either give me money or you pronounce those numbers in Igbo language. Let's go those numbers. Yes, those numbers. When you give me the mic, you don't know what you will get. I will come to you. You either give me the money or you read the numbers in Igbo language.
Our man,
Yes.
Yes, if I got the number, give us the equivalent.
Our chairman has given us $2,500. I'll make it easy. If I come to you, if you don't want to go through the hassle of this, you just give me your donation. How about that? Fair enough? Chairman. Okay. What is your choice? Are you going to pronounce this or you will give me money? 17 billion 988,317 million. I'm very excited. I better not do that. I better not try. Okay, so for my punishment, and maybe they become 30 seconds. I'm going to try again. They come here with $1,200. This gentleman of 2 years ago, I'm not here. President in the system, all the promotions are here, no not happen. On the one hand, that's more pick up more than I have with $200. 1 year and a half. I don't know if you want to go to my sister. In the Atlanta, and I get you because this year again, August 2nd and August 3rd. Okay, because make my job easy for me. Because I can tell that 99% of the adults here today will not be able to tell me this number. So if I come to you, save me the time, number, or money.
I can do both, but let me just make a choice. Okay, you brought people here now so I'm going to let me just take a picture today. Brother, 2 years ago, I am here on the same podium. Now support that school. I am going to be sharing the top and this school. And when we went to Nigeria in January to bury my mother, they really integrated the August in this thing at work. They love the village silent for weeks. So, we now have been love. I will use some of $500 when I support them. I don't know.
Okay, I'm told not even to try the numbers. You are regulation.
Again, I can never want to buy. I don't know. Emeka, my sister, Jacob, in Los Angeles, California. My wife is one of the people who represent the union.
aka m enye ya nọmba a ka o were wee zara okwu mana otu ọ dị ya mgbe anyị na-eru ụlọ na Disemba nwa m nwaanyị a mụrụ ya ebe a mana nke a bụzi ọ na-eju ụlọ na Disemba and o jere ụlọ a plan ya bikos na ọ na-asụ Igbo and ọ mụtara Igbo a n'aka ndị Atlanta Igbo School. Anything anya good for the group, it is acquired for private class. And on the law, I can make the name. Need to promote it and it will support what the school. I can use the sum of $1,000.
I just wanted to make it clear when you're writing the check, make it to Atlanta Equal School. Atlanta Equal School, please, thank you.
I'm loving what is going on here. I'm not even going to these people. They're asking me to come. Also, forget my list. Now, one year here. Now, 1 year to the year. Also, don't even bring my list. Also, here to the year. Yes, video. So that I can have one.
I stand representing a group of people Oruku Development and Unity of America, who are their president. So the reason why I mentioned this, Oruku is another state, is this. During our last convention last year, we focused on our children and what we can do to integrate them within the Igbo culture. So one of the things we decided last year was to find a way to get the language and the cultural activities in our kids. And the first place around it was to Swahili. So as we stand, we registered over 40-something youths above 15 age, 15 years of age, and over 50 under 15 years of age.
Yes,
I have my 3 kids here, and my wife, born and raised in America as well. So they're all students of Miss Ohio. So Nico, we connected people online when she was preparing for this. But I will add to that with $1,000.
Thank you very much. I will come to you. I know you want me to come. Come in. But let me go to the clearest point. This is somebody all respect here in Atlanta. Only I will prove when they don't let me. Oh, yes. Our man. Our man. Yes, so he is the chairman of the board of trustees. Oh, yes. The man is very changed. Don't even worry about bringing my numbers here. Don't even bring my numbers. I'm a very bad family. Just give us a check of $1,500. I'm not here. Only God is a personal friend of mine. Everyone I won't tell that. Everyone I won't tell that. On a little yes. Even I had it and just got married today. You wouldn't know they have a grown-up daughter. What is it? Shannon, I'm Igbo, progressive Igbo.
Our man.
I'm Igbo, progressive in Atlanta. Yes, so, but it's your number. No, just give me money.
I say, oh, so, I think people come, I'm going to say, I'm already with Zuma. So, I have support with $1,000. Okay. Only she America. I'm here. Every closure, you know. That's one I'm going to and you're going to There are more to be announced, but he has announced only two, which are equivalent to worth of $200. Our father, don't be aware, because I don't want to insult anybody this evening.
Oh, yes.
And the fear of not doing that. If I don't keep going to people, some people will say I did not come to them. So please, motion me, I will come to you. Please.
Oh, we are all here to support the Atlanta Igbo School. Please step up. Thank you.
The work at level. Atlanta Igbo School like a level. In the power high. The back and now, how to this apple couple. As a simple program. I'm only a year and I was saying, after leaving there, we go like I'm ready to work. But you're working around the end of that. Dr. Sam Obichi. We go to the beach. Dr. Sam Obichi. I love that. I love that. When they come your beach, you're so dear. What's the thing about that? I'm going to do your if you want to talk as support, or they have to, or if you know you want professor, you better go for that kind of money. I wouldn't be able to achieve the book. Would be the other like that. How much do you use? How much by 1,000? See the rest of what I think. What is the idea? More cheer. Indeed, Doctor, for your mother, was a year. What is the other was anyone? I now apply an apple one. Yet you $2,000 for.
Yes.
That's 1,000. It's a month. 2,000. That's $3,000.
Okay. Now let me do what I'm not best to do. That is being fair to everybody. Because Naga just to individuals and make insult people. I apologize for those that earlier. So each area I will finish that table. Then I will go to the next place, I will finish that table.
Yes, sir.
If I come to you and you're not able to see for now, the pass. But nobody can help us. Now, okay, let me finish it too.
You see me or hand?
Because all I issue with it. When I get to the show, I'm waiting. You get to be. I'm going to give some of $200. Thank you very much. Okay, everybody at this table. Everybody at this table. People tell you, I'm going to take over to people in that way. Talk, I'll come to you. Talk, you will look. Okay, man. Very handsome man. Because I know.
Ikuduro wani isi Igbo ọbara uru o nwere ndị amụrụ gị amụrụ Amerịka na-asụ Igbo nwee ebe amụ na Naịjirịa mara asụ Igbo maka akụziri anyị Igbo ọfụma so ihe ole eme dị nwa mụ na my wife, brother, I feel like I get $2,000. What's the
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My good. In our body, we can remember that time.
People short speeches. One of who can get people so we can get to everybody.
Because, no, let me finish at this stage, people. Like I said, it's the cable of anchor. I will do very fast. People, I don't know. They keep it table. I don't know you, but I will cheer. Okay, I will cheer. Then I love it. I will come. People, pray.
Okay, people. Dr. Mrs. Okay, people. I don't know. All the way from Columbus.
Thank you very much. I don't know about me. I am a what this position I am on the table. Not just spreading up. But anyway, since I know wherever I am, very helpful. We supported in the past and we continue. So, again, I'm the age of $1,000. Support.
Put your hands together. Let's give it.
Now, I table that. People, mindful.
Yo! Oh, yes.
And this case has managed. On my airport. And I take a look. I'm here. The million.
Thank you very much, sir. $500.
Yes,
Oh, yes. Okay. Also, now, who are now over here, oh, yes. How to give me a microphone?
I represent a group, an association, an important association of Manhattan. I am with two reasons I do that. One, I am going to Anambra State Association. I like to be here in January. I'm going to go. My home one never. Two, bread for my oh, on the other call. So on the Anambra State. So, I China and Mel. So so I have the honor to introduce the president of ASA USA, ASA Bank, Professor Osaka. Honor here because he is in the OZ to come and talk to you. So, Professor. Also, number of association.
In the meantime, all you can go check the chop, IGBM, the chop, or you go to one or they go and then not get those make them. Not like they call it just never.
This is what we're doing. This is not good.
So students that have their speech prepared, please be out in the lobby. Thank you.
Yes. I said engineer, what we pay now, they are $500 people. So we need to control.
I hear it, $15,500. $15,500.
Thank you, sir. Because the chief of they will take their donation.
And our goal is $40,000. We are doing what? We are getting close. Oh, yes.
Can you just show me?
I can do this role.
Please, I like your young.
I was informed already. You don't want the numbers. You just want to give me money. Look at the beautiful wife, $5,000.
I have 2 checks from Urban Law Group, 200.
Okay.
And from Victoria, 100.
I said, don't they want to I hear things yes, how do you make naturally? You want to people Atlantic School last year. When I was out, and the human science who put it together and I know. I love to consider I get an idea. I had a new way. So what is your law? I am the sheep that I am the $700 If we have the correct ticket for 6 people, you know, like a coalition for 6 people, plus the $700. That's a lot of money. Oh, yeah. Because I'm okay when no, we did not forget that. Okay. But the wife says she likes to respect her husband. Then I need to come back when her husband is here. You know, we don't want to treat you. I'm loyal. Thank you very much. Yes. Okay. The man just told me he was like to give credit to whom credit is due. Oh yes. That he is the man of the house for saying the car to different. Oh yes. Thank you very much, sir. That shows the man with a lot of confidence in him. He wants to give his wife the due credit, but the microphone is here. Yes, sir. Benedict and Caroline, they need a sum of $100. Because put your hands together. Abatago na 18th of Obi. I'm 18th. I don't think you want the number. People like Dr. Peter to score the goal. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So one of my wife, opera now, making $500.
Put your hands together for our man. Oh yeah. I like to respect men and women as well. This beautiful man supported in Ghana, but after you were sleeping and already. Now, madam, you have anything to tell me? Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. This is one of the situations that we have in Atlanta. The man will tell you like it is, right in your face, he will say the IP. Doctor, also, normally chair. That's a baby. But I think our man, that's a baby. We'll tell our former editor in chief. Yes. $300. Thank you. Put your hands together for them. Up.
And very good.
Thank you. After I will also everybody, I will look again. What I'm afraid to see that. One, no, one. Yes. I am very proud of you. How do you know? When I go to school, the major is the community I am who are I am who are I who is illegal, one is illegal, you are not yes. Who never need a drama if you believe it. Oh, I don't want it. I'm going to Zoom, I'm going to I now free Igbo. Yes, I see Igbo. Yes. All the ones in America. All the ones in Ghana. No, it's to be working. Also, what do you want to so, I'm happy that I make it a free house. How say go? I used to ask you, what I can you? I'm making
$200 for supporting me. God bless you.
Wonderful people. Okay, Master, I get better. I cannot take better than I have Jesus. I'm gonna table. Okay, Master Pelike. Epuloku puribu. He gave you puribu. They are not going to have a good puribu. No one will have a live here. All your higher family. No, you have money. When you work in, I will look at 18 years.
Oh, the captains. Oh, we are going to one of it. Oh, yeah, the men.
My big.
Dr. Henry, Ohana. What's in all your man? I go.
Boss.
My weekend. Ever.
I will glad they didn't microphone. Then they go back. What the global here? You don't look at it. What time? What the global here? The other aspect of our community will go back. That is open. People allow me to take much of your time. But I must be sincere to you this evening. I am ashamed. Don't be ashamed to walk. I will move back there. I will not buy every application. I cannot take a better man. Because I shut up myself. And I'm also in my money account. I'm not going to do my time. So I'm going to make Dr. Judah Laya, I'm going to do the money. Young lady, I support the money $200. But I'm going to get $200. I'm not going to do so.
Okay, now $50. Thank you so much. God bless you. Anonymous.
Thank you. We have our brother, Dr. Timothy Brown. God bless you, sir, for the support of $200. $300, sorry. Thank you. That's not correct.
My brother,
Please, I'd like to recognize Mr. and Mrs. Ken upon our door all the way from Massachusetts. Oh, I'm sorry.
all these places, our side is the
Thank you. Put your hands together. Thank you very much. Thank you, Papa. You were the former Secretary General of World Government, Dr. Lucas Sidibe, our man, constant support to the community. And then, okay, people, for the interest of time, there were a lot of things for the agenda. People, I know we still have a lot of people that want to give us money, but I'm told to come back to me. But please, allow me to go to one of my friends before I come back to me. You will not forgive me if I do that without coming to me. So, Brother, you to get around again.
American.
Thank you very much. Yes, have a comment. Okay, now we come to play. Yes, so the former Secretary General of World Government, Dr. Lucas Sidibe, because they are going to go there.
And I would also like to announce Prince Chief on the Princess program, you have $200. Thank you. Your total is coming.
Okay, so far, I have $20,000. Over $20,000.
Young man, boss.
In my this one. The next thing is entertainment. After that, we will dance till the cats come home. I make a look at the dance for stuff. We have a neck performance of our community. We have the whole because I don't know. What do you want? You want to talk again? Because one thing the man to take, another. Who nine the sister to do the zero? Sometimes we say that our man. About the woman. Thank you very much. Okay, good. Now you can do it. You cannot do it. Good. Come back. Oh, I want to go to your mic. You forgot it. No, I did not forget it, but the chairman told me back to me. Sir, lady, doctor, chief, sir, sir, how about you? Oh my, oh I'm okay. Finance na be in November. All year, they want you already. So, always open up all in the but in any people, all of them need to be alive. And with what they're doing, people always be alive. People also. So, all of them want to people want to alive. So, without much time, one of my family will use the sum of $300. Thank you. I'm going to go to India. Because I want to recognize the president of Atlanta president. Emeka Odelibo. I think I own about 2 or 4 years ago. And I think I just saw him walking. Whenever I can hear your chair, it's the Emeka Odelibo. And welcome you, people.
Paul Emedosi, our former treasurer of the among Lord Rebbe, Sir Jerry Fitzgerald, the man you must never bother with people, or Adelo Numa, Sir Emedosi and the boys.
People they want to they go to they go to 3,100. Hold on. 3,100. I don't know
the former treasurer of the Put your hands together. Engineer Nonson, you have what that said. God bless you guys. Yes, the man you must never bother with. Chibago Bata, our man, the one of Hotel Awalo, other than the speaker, answer Jennifer Separate.
So before you hear go one and go, I get one and go.
Every year, every phone on the way, I have never. Not for there. When I get $100 now for there. Syndicate, they're making it enough.
You go on, go to Kuka. Just some double the check. Yes, Jennifer Samuel. Ababilo Numa. Chibago Bata Wapa. I'm my own mother to Jennifer. Almost never pressure to hear that. Chibago Bata. Put out of my home mother. Engineer B, yes, you want it. You could have said
please make out your check to Atlanta Igbo School.
Atlanta Igbo School, did you hear that?
Okay.
Hey, put your hands together. Guys, the model, the fun of how engineer will be present, who does it? That's not coming, sir. Yes, sir. So, because our daddy, engineer will be as you want it, they are support with 200. How they say it? How they say it?
Alright. After me, by Atlanta Igbo School.
Sina sacrimo, tu hot like a heater. Make them flow like winter. I'm very young. Chase from the beach. MJ and shit. Nigga, to the right of the night. I'm the pull up in the beat. Shooting a stick in the car. That's awesome. Serious in the yeah. It's a play. To play in the I went. Sina sacrimo, tu hot like a heater. Make them flow like winter. I'm very young. Chase from the beach. MJ and shit. Nigga, to the right of the night.
I put the hang up a second before we go to the program. I'm informed. And I'm so people come up here for your special donation. Also, after we this opportunity, you may announce now one of our friends, Oluwa is a member of the board of trustees. Also, the voting installation is sum of $3,000. Oluwa So for what you want to question? All the way from California. All the way. Can a young man that wants to do a special donation? Oh, hi, Mansour.
Hi, Mansour. That's not a special donation because I'm an eye.
Oh, people, I won't need a gentleman microphone. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, Sir Alex. Sir Alex. And why here? Paul of Stella, our youngest entrepreneur, Thomas, never you.
You will pay, they're good. You will pay this. Well, I didn't go through. I didn't go. So,
Thank you very much.
Pam, onye nọ n'ụlọ Chikama, bịa. Ya mepere nwanne m nwoke ụzọ.
Kedụkwa ihe nwanne m nwoke bara ịka anyị?
Ọ bịara ka anyị kpaa maka ana na ụlọ nna anyị hapụrụ anyị.
Gịnị? Ọ gwara ka o were ya, ọ bụ gị dịkwara ihe nna gị mere nke gị.
Ebuka, nọ. Ebuka, amaghị ihe banyere gị ọgwụgwụ, mana ka gwa gị, abụ gị ọkpara, ihe niile nna anyị nwere bụ nke m.
Anyị kwesịrị ikpe ya ụlọ ahụ, kedu ihe ha ime? Nwanne gị nwoke ga-abụ.
Anọrọ m na ọ bụ gịnị na-esere nwanne gị nwoke Chukwu Ebuka?
Biko, nna anyị, dọọ nwanne nwoke ihe ọ dị isi na ihe nna anyị masị ya.
She can be wherever she wants to be.
She can be wherever she wants to be.
Ihe karịrị afọ 40 gara aga, adị m afọ 32 dịka ụmụ nke nwere nsogbu ya berekwa n'otu. Ihere mere m mgbe m chọrọ ihe amụọ asụsụ Igbo mana taa aga m ahịa maka mkpọ mkpa ideba aha n'ala ochie. Oge nke a bụ ịgwa ndị nne na nna na ihere mere m mgbe m chọrọ ihe mụọ asụsụ Igbo mana taa aga m ahịa ya isi maka mkpọ mkpa ideba aha n'ala ndị ochie. Oge nke a bụ ịgwa ndị nne na nna ka ha desi ike na-akụziri ụmụaka Igbo n'ezinụlọ. Oge m na-etolite n'ala Ebonyi, ọtụtụ ụmụaka ndị ọzọ nne na nna ha abụghị ndị Ebonyi na-asụcha asụsụ obodo ha. Ana m alụkarị asụsụ Creole, Spanish na Hausa. Amaghị m ka ọ bụ ịmara asụsụ mana omenala m jụrụ anya. Anọ m na ọzụzụ ịgba egwu gbakwa onwe m gburugburu ezinụlọ na ndị enyi nne na nna ha na-asụ Igbo mana amụtaghị Igbo. Ka m na-etolite nne na nna m amaghị ọ na-ewute m amaghị aghọta ma ọ bụ na-asụ Igbo mana n'ihi na ndị ọzọ ndị Igbo anaghị asụ Igbo enyeghị m nne na nna m ma ha kụziere m. Ugbu a nne na nna m achọpụtala na m na-agbalịsi ike ịmata asụsụ Igbo. Ọ ga-ekwa ụtọ maka ya na ụmụaka na-agbanyeghị afọ elu mara na na-etinye onwe gị n'ezie ịmụta asụsụ na omenala anyị. Ndị ọrụ Igbo naanị ejiwela mfe nganga ihe na-agọzi ahịa imeta n'ịsụ Igbo na mbido ị ga-asị na o siri ike mana atụwala ego a ga-adị idezie onwe gị onye ọhụrụ. Wepụta oge tinye obi dị na ya mgbe ị malitere ịrụ na-asụ asụsụ Igbo ala gị ị ga-eji onwe gị eme ọrụ. Ma akụzila ebe ahụ na-amaghị onwe gị na-ebe egwu Igbo ndị ebe nkiri Igbo naanị egwuregwu n'akwa ịfụrụ gị oge na osisi Igbo ma ekwetere ya ma ekwetere ya na-abụ ọnụ. Ọ dị egwu Igbo nkata anyị ka omenala anyị aga nke ọma ma jiri ya kpọrọ ihe. Igbo kwenu!
Please, all the children, thank you, Miss boys, do you have Miss Aluchi take your own name? Put your hands together one more time. Because we better let's start hard. Thank you, my people.
I'm going to cut it slow. Volume.
Look what you stuck in there. But I need to turn more. I need to school. Lord, was elevated. You know, we got my head out. Everything I'm Nubes yoga, anyị na-aga n'ụlọ ụka, obi na-adị m ụtọ ịga chọọchị n'ụbọchị Sọnde ọrụ. Daalụ ndị be anyị, ndeewonụ. Aha m bụ Chinenye Echekam. Amụrụ m n'ezinụlọ Maazị Emeka Echekam ya na Nwaada Ifeoma Echekam. Enwere m ụmụnne anọ. Aha ha bụ Chimgodịrị Echekam, ọ dị afọ 8. Chibundom Echekam, ọ dị afọ 5. Chisụmada Echekam dị afọ 3. Chisemọrịa Echekam dị 1 afọ. Anyị bụ ndị Oraala nke dị na Idatọrọ Local Government n'Imo Steeti. Anyị bi na Los Angeles nke dị na California. Anyị na-emekọ ihe ọnụ n'ezinụlọ anyị mgbe niile dịka irikọ nri ọnụ, ichekọ ụka ọnụ kwa ụbọchị ụka ọbụla. Mụ na ụmụnne na-ekerikọ ekwe ọnụ. Anyị hụrụ onwe anyị n'anya n'ezinụlọ anyị. Daalụ.
Akwụkwọ aka ebe a.
Ndeewonụ. Aha m bụ Tochi Nwebe. Nri kacha amasị m bụ eghere iji kwadebe akwa. Ị ga-ebuzo gbaa akwa n'ime efere, tinye mmanụ, rie ya. Mgbe o ghere, wepụ akwa n'ime ite, tinye n'efere, rie ya.
Ya mere ebe a dị ncheta.
Daalụ nne. Abụ m onye achọrọ ụmụaka nke nọ na Njaba n'oge mmiri. Ana m afọ 13. Ana m aga akwụkwọ na abịara m ikwuru unu akụkọ gbasara ebe ụlọ. Anyị dị asaa n'ime ezinụlọ anyị. Onye nke mbụ bụ nna m, Alex Ebere. Onye nke na-aga mbọ ibu na ihe na-aga ọfụma. Onye nke abụọ bụ nna m, Chinenye Echekam. Onye afọmanya n'ebe ụmụ ya nọ karịrị nke ukwuu. Enwere m ụmụnne ndị nwoke. Onye nke mbụ bụ Ụzọma Ebere.
Ntẹ̀lé àkọ́kọ́ ní àgbà. Ọ̀sọ́tẹ̀ àpò ìṣọ́nà abẹ́rẹ́. Ntẹ̀lé àkọ́kọ́ ní àgbà. Yàrá ìjáde náà. Ntẹ̀lé àkọ́kọ́. Mgbe ụfọdụ, a na-akpasu iwe. Mana abụ maka abụ otu nwanne nwanyị a nwere. Chai, ana m ekwukwe ya bụ maka ọ bụ aka gbajiri igwe. Ana m arịọ Chineke maka obere ndụ na-agụsi ike ebe ọ nọ. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Gịnị bụ aha gị na ebe ị? Kedu ebe nne na nna gị nọ? Oh, daalụ.
Benar ụmụaka aka na-asa ahụ n'afọ n'afọ, amaghị ihe ụlọ mkparịta ụka n'Igbo. Daalụnụ.
Please, for those who want to Zelle, if you need a Zelle phone number, just meet one of us. We'll give you the phone number, and you can Zelle to it. If you have a pen, I'll give it to you right now. It's 678-895-1518.
People, everyone microphone near everybody. You know, I need to, but follow 2 or 3 number. Number come back to, because they don't get me. So, let them know, I'm a debate here. I'm a go for the number, but I may pay $400 a year, not the rest of the number.
Yeah, well, I need to say, so look on is the movement, and I can't so look on. So, for the other once again. Everybody know that there is no one. Look at your number.
Again, the phone number, if you have a pen and you want to write it down, the phone number is 678-895-1518. This is safety now, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you.
People know what Thomas I know. So, did the last meeting, while we come to the floor, people, although what Thomas I know, so, until we are not when
I would like to announce all those who have sent their money very well. It's Dr. Patrick Wakama, $250. Dr. Teresa Pound, $100. Mazi George Otoronta, $200. Dr. Ada Ogu, $500. Dr. Irene Ogu, $100. Kenneth Ogogu, $500. Star Chima Njogu, $100.
Because the people will never go home. Let's not people.
My brother there, yeah, Prince $3, Prince $3, now $200.
Now, I don't know. What I remember, I'm going to get my. I'm going to get now, looking to the river. Dance.
Just 1 second, before that. I'd like to announce the board members. After that, Nancy goes through and after that, they can do dance. First, we'd like to call, well, just recognizing they are not here to bring Bama. Attorney Charles Onyemba, Dr. Chimama Bude, Adibo Bernard, Nwanguma, Dr. Prince Ezali, Chief Colette Odenibo, Dr. Mentorina Obo, Dr. Henry Okubico, Dr. Chime Ejikere, Attorney Bobby Anieku, Dr. Stanley Okoro, Ebubedike Tony Obara, Dr. Franka Ogonia, Dr. Nkechi Amazing, Dr. Nathan Liamartin, and Mr. Chinedu Okafor. These are the board members that make the decision for the Atlanta Board School. Dr. Adichukwu, Machuku, and Apende. Okay, you know what? I'm going out in place. I'm trying to give anybody else.
Yeah, okay, because our mom, she's only not the one we have, not the whole time, so 100.
And honorable Apollo Aha Collect or Tenijo. Collect is one of the board of trustees. But unfortunately, Collect has not been back today. Operated further recently. But that notwithstanding, Collect just sent a message from Chief Collect and Dr. Nneka Odelibo. Collect member our anti-go through. This will not be done without their name being in the register. So they're sending out a donation of $500. Think of that.
Yes, that's another check. I will look on that.
Dr. Koran, I think we're doing pretty good.
Because
More than well.
I make one answer to go. That's Mrs. Opana, Dr. Lekopana, on our support line is in some of 200.
I'm going to the areas so far. We have surpassed $31,000 tonight.
Our president, our man.
Please, enjoy your check. Make people Atlanta Igbo School. Atlanta Igbo School. You look on your table, the program is on there. It might be hyphenated, AIS. Please make it for Atlanta Igbo School. We have some checks that we probably need to be there because it doesn't have the right on it.
We are writing a check. This is the time for dance. This is we got very good music. While we went to dance.
Yes, Dr. Haya. Because Dr. and Mrs. Please let's ask him. How we can put the broadcast? Not the broadcast. 250 put their hands together for the broadcast. The woman that does wrong, this is great for her. She plays piano. She's not playing. Everyone do that. I have to do that outside just because people can tell me. Yes. Everyone do that. Because we have outside that because everything to them.
Just 1 second. We have somebody who wants to talk to us.
Oh, Mama, no, no. Mama, no. Mama, no. I'm the head of Conagron. All the way from Boston, Massachusetts. My beautiful wife there, Marco Conagron. So I can hear this support from Kai. We are not a lady. Who are they close here? In fact, in that one, I they will see this guy. Yeah, we don't want a man to go to Igbo culture and the Igbo language and culture. Very, very important. So I am here now support. They not appreciate. They can hear what I need to do. Oh, I need to go back. I read my life. The highest thing we need to identify with their language. Very important. So I need to go to when I want I $500. Thank you, sir. But I wish I had been brought to me this opportunity. Thank you, Mother. Because now what we can say how you are money. I was I wish I had this opportunity. So you guys should put some help. You have a lot of people. So I'm very happy.
Thank you very much, all the way from Boston. Guess what? We are coming to Boston in 2 weeks. All right, you went there. We had a convention in Boston in 2 weeks. Now, when we get to Boston, I can get the microphone. You put in on a pattern. Yes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Before I get to Akaru, briefly, 4th of July, communities are registered. The Hawaii Bearoots, 4th of July, and Stone Mountain, Rock all people in the Olympic Africa, from Alabama, up to land everywhere. So, bear in mind, all of this is there. 4th of July, we will not shut up Africa. But there, all I do is one.
Everybody,
Come on down, ladies. Come on down. Hold on. For the camera, come on down. And right after this, I believe someone can choose. Yes, would like to say something after the dance, not after the dance.
Because after that, I will Mr. Emedosi. Nonso Emedosi. Go ahead.
Yeah, and the young has grown.
Because I don't work from our hand. Engineer, Dr. Susanna Kudo, all the way from American Georgia. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Andrew Busso, Pastor Busso. Join my God, my son. Also, let me just see. We have a great speech and celebration. Thank you. No, Benny. No, Benny. Thank you all. I'm thinking of looking to all you on the name of peace. The school is out, and the students over to the as we go to the very important area, people like yourself, heart, soul, spirit, all wonderful. God bless you, my Lord.
All right, meantime, we have some slides to pick up. And for that, we're gonna call on Dr. Jill Lafayette. And they are not able to call her. We're gonna be giving out slides. And right after this, at least we can do some dancing. For those who are staying this long, I'm not sure they want to find the one right now. For those who want to do some dancing, it's about to come on. We got DJ IJ in the house. You might have to, maybe you don't have to take off the shoes.
Once again, thank you everybody for being here this evening. Somebody days, some people have come about the other support. Please know that we are appreciating it. Wherever you can, wherever you are finished. But some people have made sure that what we are doing here tonight continues. So we have a few plans to hand to these people. They can put in our houses as a reminder. Atlanta Eagle School appreciates everything you have done to help us carry on this program. If you find it around I'm in three categories. One, silver. Gamble in our school, $500. And then I'm gold, $1,000. And platinum, 3,004. So now, I'm here with the chairman of the board. I got one day silver first. I thought the chance for the error. Name Ohio.
So, get a photographer, videographer, photographer, where are you? Photographer, where are you?
Dr. Henry, I'm looking for you. Mr. and Mrs. Paul, MLSD. Paul.
Mrs. Cletus Margaret. Ghana over Abunde $1,000. Maazị Emeka Nwosu.
So, Emeka Nwosu came last time and gave us 1,000. And it's from the GMA. He's a sister official. And you can see the connection between Atlanta School and sister. So it varies. Atlanta School is very, very well.
Eminent, this is I, the good I, the good I can with you. Dr. and Mrs. Leo, Ekujobi. Dr. Val Ozilo. Dr. and Mrs. Michael Caitlin. Adakata 21. Engineer Dr. Mrs. Cletus Onyeka. Dr. and Mrs. Nathan Yaman. Dr. Mrs. Cletus Dr. Clement Wilson. Sister Dr. Mrs. Sullivan Mohammed. Dr. Mrs. Darius Manike. Dr. Mrs. Samson Obichi.
Chief and Lord of America language. So the result of the two now was 11. I heard that came on more. The first one is presented to Trustee Johnson. Dr. Mrs. Anthony Akwai. Dr. Mrs. Stanley Odoro. Attorney Bobby Anyeti. Bito ndị anyị ụlọ akwụkwọ ka ụmụaka ndị sọrọ asụsụ Igbo. Onye si na ọrụ ọdụfele onye dị maka anyị mmadụ anyị na-agụ ọrụ ọgụgụ ruo na ihe mmadụ na kpebiri ọrụ Igbo. Ụmụaka anyị na-akpọkọrọ anyị ọgụgụ ahụ. Bito anyị ga na-agba mbọ na-akpọta ụmụ anyị ka ha na-arụ Igbo na-asụ Igbo. Maka Igbo kacha kacha ụwa niile Igbo nsọpụrụ. Biko ana m ekele Atlantiko Soro Dr. Ọhana Chidichukwu na nwunye Ogochukwu Kubeti Ọhaya na-atụrụpụtara anyị ihe mara mma dobe anyị na Atlanta. Onye ọbụla dobe na biko ụmụ anyị ọzọ na Ọgọst dịka eze Igbo ụlọ akwụkwọ na Igbo na Afrịka niile Igbo ụwa sesọ ndị nwere ego ndị nwere ọchị ndị na-akpa mbọ biko na-adịghị n'ofe na ha ga-emesịrị na nwere anyị ga-ekwenye gbasara na Igbo sisa August 1, 2, 3, now 4. Now, Igbo land there are no people. That's not how old. And then people what I want to mention is a woman going to the people are all people want to speak. Okay, people I have to apologize. This one shared through the engineer and Dr. Mrs. Samuel Ayakudo. If you are still here. Okay. Sorry, please say it
That's right, so if you want to spend time with us, don't be shy, the floor is open for you. And last time you go through, I appreciate you coming out tonight to support us, support your children. Tonight, you want to concert, thank you for my interest, thank you for my love. Your floor is open, don't be shy, keep that active running.
When you get to let me know, okay? Okay.
So, Rita,
Thank you so much. Well done.
Rita, where are you?
Mama.
Mike, come and take that picture. Yeah, show your plan. Sorry, DJ, I did. You're doing right. It's all on the okay? I know you guys want to play. Oh, thank you so much. Hey. Sarah is holding you here because we are asking for $100. Thank you so much. Thank you. I was nice to see you. All right, DJ, I